Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Power distribution fuse box. The Power Distribution Center in the 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee is a crucial component that manages and distributes electrical power throughout the vehicle. Located under the hood, it houses fuses and relays that protect essential systems like the engine, lighting, climate control, and safety features. The Power Distribution Center is designed for easy access, with a labeled cover providing a diagram for quick identification of fuse and relay functions. It ensures efficient power management by regulating voltage and preventing electrical overloads. Additionally, it includes a built-in fuse puller for convenient maintenance and replacement of blown fuses. Interior power distribution fuse box. The interior power distribution fuse box in the 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee is responsible for protecting and distributing electrical power to various in-cabin components. Typically located under the dashboard or near the passenger side footwell, it contains fuses for systems like the infotainment unit, interior lighting, power seats, and climate control. The fuse box cover includes a diagram to help identify fuse locations and amperage ratings for easy troubleshooting. It prevents electrical overloads and short circuits by automatically cutting off power to affected components when necessary. Designed for user convenience, it allows for quick fuse replacement with the help of a built-in fuse puller.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.